Good morning, good evening, good day there, Wisdomizers. My name is Max and I'm here again, but this time we're gonna do a bit longer video. This is called week summary, and we're gonna cover all the aspects of what has been going on over the last week. We're gonna check the best performing assets this week. We're going to dive into the majors, BTC, ETH, and Solana, and so much more. I'm here from Bangkok, and I'm doing what I'm doing for a living is I'm trading both FX and crypto and traveling the world. And I believe that we are going to provide enormous opportunity for many other people to do the same over the next 12 months, because this is exactly the time that I believe the market is going to be the hottest and the most vital, full of energy, and a lot of speculation is gonna take place. And thanks to Wisdomize Intelligence, you are going to be able to capitalize on this incredible opportunity that comes to us every 4 years and repeats itself more or less in a similar way. Well, they say that history doesn't repeat itself, but it always rhymes. And from what I see, uh, what I'm seeing so far is that it actually is following the exact footprint that it has been doing over the last three previous bull runs that I've been part of. So, there's a lot of build up before the actual thing starts. So we are in between the start and the kick off of this. So it usually kicks off with something happening in terms of mass attention. Right now, obviously, we're seeing these meme coins pumping and BTC being 90,000. It went from 65 to 90 in a very short period of time, right after Donald Trump elected as a president. This was highly anticipated event, but again, what you see now is that the build-up's taking place, the liquidity is being attracted to the space. A lot of people are new to crypto. They haven't done a single trade in their lives, but they are hearing at the back of my mind. Even today, I was at the gym and there was this guy just watching a Bitcoin movie. And I actually came to him and I asked, like, do you trade? And he said that no, but he has heard about it. And now we started talking, and it's going on a massive scale right now. And what it means is that the liquidity is coming to the market. It's slowly getting there. It's not that they're quite just yet. Obviously, it takes time, but we're seeing a lot of progress and lots of many good developments are happening in real time. And I firmly believe that if 50% of these people would come to the Wisdomize Intelligence platform that we are teaching here, they would be ahead of almost everyone else in the market. Because right now, what I'm seeing, one of the most important factors in the current market is that the attention is uh, the scarce resource that everyone is trying to fight for. And this is really a scarce resource because everyone is trying to get your attention. Everyone is trying to sell you to buy something that they personally own. They're trying to lure you into the system and buy something that is already theirs. And this is completely normal because that's how you actually end up buying something that's already theirs. Um, but you will end up buying something if you come to the to the market. So yeah, you will most likely buy something that you have heard about, or that you see everywhere, or you see some influencers talking about it, or you see that your friend bought something. this is the most probabilistic way of you buying something while not having ever participated in the crypto market, because you literally don't know how to buy or what to buy. So you come to your friends, you come to your influencers, you come to Twitter, and you watch what's going on there, and you also buy something that you actually like and you resonate with, you know. So without further ado, let's dive into the general picture. I wanna show you guys how I am thinking behind the scenes and analyzing the markets, which sources of information I am using, and which I suggest you would do the same, because honestly, I've been doing a lot of different things, trying lots of different sources, and still came up to the ones that I am currently working with. So let's dive into it. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen as always. One thing that I wanted to share you before we even started. Okay, well, what I'm seeing right now is that, well, we have this narrative of meme coins being the ultimate source of attention nowadays, and Bitcoin obviously broke out from here. Everyone is looking for this retest that I believe again will happen in the most unpredictable timing ever. You never guess when this thing comes back to 73,000, but it will come here. But not now, because this would be too easy. And previously I showed here, I haven't actually deleted this yet, how the market works. We are looking for the market orders and limit orders, but it's currently irrelevant. So one thing that I noticed right now, and this has been holding true, is that the old cryptos from the previous cycles have been doing quite well, surprisingly well. For example, the previous bull run L1s such as Phantom, it has done not too well and not too bad. I mean, look, this is the banana zone that we're talking about, right? So this happened in July last time, and actually, funny enough, but November was the peak during previous bull run, and we had another pump in January, which is quite interesting, to be fair, in my opinion. But it's not the case forever. So the first pump we had actually in January in 2021, and then the next wave was during the summer. But anyway, I'm just saying that the point is that if you see, Polkadot has done first impulse up. We have seen, for example, ADA. ADA did well. This ADA is a complete. Now I wouldn't say, okay, well, I'm not gonna say this word, but anyway, the cryptos from previous bull market have done their first impulse up, which is a good sign, because in order to move these cryptos like VeChain, right, the first impulse up, immutable, no, GRT, which I'm still, believe me or not, but I'm a bag holder of GRT from previous bull run, and as you can see here, bum. So this also has done first impulse up, and Solana is going just nuts. Solana is doing really really well. I bought it 130, and I thought it's late, but now it's 140, and this thing is going to all-time high right away. And just 1 year ago, no, 1 year ago, we were trading at 20. Can you imagine this? 1 year ago, it's just 10x doing absolutely nothing. And this is insane, but no way. 22, 23. Okay. Anyway, this is insane to even think about it. But what I'm trying to say is that the market has rotated a bit of liquidity from Bitcoin to the previous crypto bull run coins, which is good actually, and you will see that there will be many other rotations as well over the next 12 months. So not only meme coins will remain in the headlines, but you will see gaming, you will see DeFi, you will see Deepin, you will see AI, you will see RVAs, all these different narratives. Um, they will do well as well, but only in a short period of time, where they will do like 5x, like 6x, 7, 8, 10x, in a very short period of time. And then they will basically the liquidity will pour into other sectors. So this is usually how it works, but from what I expect, what will happen is that the meme coins will remain in the main focus for everyone. So with this in mind, let's check out what has happened here. In general, what I believe is true is that the next 1 month we will be trading sideways in around 62 BTC domination, just as I've already mentioned many times. So we're gonna consolidate. I don't see that we're gonna be pumping super hard now during the Christmas, but this is perfect time to buy stuff up for discounted prices, and then in 2025 ride this wave to infinity, to the banana zone, to the stratosphere. This will happen, but not on all the assets. And as you can see, Litecoin as well. If you want to move Litecoin, you have to invest billions of dollars, because it has a large market cap. And this is exactly what we're seeing there. This means that the market is healthy. There is a lot of liquidity, and institutions are buying, institutions are speculating, and all this, right? Okay, so but now I also want to show you the sector rotation, or the sector's strength. So here is the meme coin sector, right? So you can see a lots of green, like double-digit greens. Okay, plus 23, plus 12, plus 14, plus 6, 7, 8, blah blah blah. Just a few are negative. And if we, by the way, Sirius is pulling back. I bought it from here, and I gave the call. Now we're looking. I mean, it's still up 3x, but or 2x in profit. But I think it's not a bad time to enter, actually, if you want to get involved. Like I wouldn't suggest you to buy at 7, but at 4, 4 is pretty much different price level already, because the upside is at least 10x, but the downside is just, I mean, downside always in crypto. Your downside is always 100%, unless you really sell your crypto follows. But again, like, it's always 100%. So effectively, even if you are buying something, you always have to think about having at least 100% return, not less, never less than 100. So and I'm also looking at this meme coin as well, which is Wicked. This is also something that I'm looking at, but I'm not looking at this kind of market cap where it's trading at 2 million. I need it much better. I need it for much better price, and this would be around 1.5. So I have my alert. If it comes here, I will probably put like 2 or 3,000. Not much, but I will try to get this as my first entry point. So if it comes lower, then I will double, and so on and so forth. So with this in mind, this is something that I'm seeing currently. This is one of my favorite plays, but I'm looking. I'm just waiting, because it has been launched just at end of September. So it's been trading for 1.5 months, which is nothing. You need at least you need to the community and the meme has to prove itself with time, and nothing can substitute time in crypto. So this about the charts, and this about few things that I am personally looking at. We are looking at the market from a perspective where we want to make as much returns as possible and risk as little as possible. And for this, we always use the platform called the Twitter. And here we can do lists, and we can create our own lists of different influencers and traders who you probably want to um, uh, follow on a day-to-day basis. For example, we are seeing here we have 126 members, we have so many followers, and all these are really influential people in the crypto space. So you want to actually, you see like 300,000 followers, right? 12 and sometimes it's better even to have smaller 150. This is actually a scammer. So if you see Wizard of Soho, he's a grifter. He's not a good man. Ansem, 500,000 followers, right? Anyway, these are all crypto native people, and they can have incredible impact on the market. This is where majority of the people getting their information, and all the people are looking to get their alpha from Twitter. For example, let's say Sirius, the very same sort of coin that I just mentioned. We're looking for the ticker, we're searching for the ticker, and we're watching what's going on here with the ticker. Like how many people, what's the latest, what's the top, and so on and so forth. And oh, whoa, okay. This is actually interesting post. You see, someone just bought 120,000 worth of crypto at 4 million market cap, 124,000. Unless he knows it. This is a massive sign. This is first information that I'm coming here and I'm seeing right away, right? So with this in mind, it's actually quite evident this is a good buy, right? You should be able, like whatever ticker you are planning to buy, first come to Twitter and search for it and watch what the top posts are, who is talking about it, who are the people who are shilling this or talking about it, because who are talking about it is also really, really, really important, right? So that's one. And the other, okay, what is this thing? Top whale sold his previous series going through below current price, making him the top player. However, this mistake will make him regret once we are above. Yes, that's also true. That sometimes people are selling their cryptos and they are getting wrecked because the community is stronger than anyone else, and actually no one really knows where the price is going to go. So first of all, before any significant trading decision, before aping, come and see the ticker and check the website, check their community inside of the Telegram, because this is ultimately what is the most important thing about any crypto is the community and the meme itself. So majority of the time it's just community, because you have to have people talking about it and giving this information to others. There is effectively just trading, they're protecting their own bags, right? So this is something that you want to see. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you guys is the crypto panic. website, and this is a website that aggregates news and the most important news sources from anywhere in the internet. And this is something that you should have in your tools list for sure, right? So it basically tells you everything that is going that is going up in the crypto space right now, right? So NFT sales up 94%. Oh, really? That's good for the crypto, I would say. 94%. If NFT sales are up 94%, then this mean that we probably have a, a really we can have a good season of NFTs even. So again, I'm coming here every single day. Like Algorand also did a really nice bump from the bottom. But anyway, the key thing here is that you really want to see um, the the news every day, because this will give you a clear edge about where we are in the market, what's going on. You don't have to go to 10 different news sources and be um, jack of them all. You just have to master this one, and this is the crypto panic. This is for me, and there are probably quite a few more of these, but I found this to be the most easy way to stick at like having a 10-minute overview of the whole crypto market, and this is amazing. Okay, so what's going on here? So let's look at one news event as well. So meme coins dominant signals weak altcoin narratives. What is this? Are gamers and web projects are there in game? Yeah, for dopamine-driven individuals, making money is the ultimate game. I'm no exception. I love gaming, trading, gambling. That's true. I'll give you a follow-up for this quote, for this tweet. Yeah. But anyway, meme coins dominate, altcoins lack strong fundamentals. By the way, when it comes to another source of information, you should follow this guy. This is Murat, and this is the altcoin Jesus. He's the guy who is basically telling you what should you do if you want to trade meme coins, and the best um, accounts that you should be um, getting your information from, and all this, right? So have this in mind. Murat is the legend of this cycle. He basically came up with the meme coin super cycle thesis, and he has been proving everyone that he has been right and he has skin in the game. He apes super early and all this. So that's interesting to see how things are unfolding in this space. But meme coin super cycle, it is indeed, and let's see if we're gonna get confirmation from Wisdomize dashboard, which we for sure will. As you can see, like the every day I'm analyzing the cryptos on the dashboard. Every day I'm seeing the same thing happening all over again and all over again. And this is, as you can see, Hezbollah's cat is here. It's, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Honestly, Hezbollah cat. Oh my God. Cats are going 280 million in few days. Huh? This is not possible. Someone said that, oh yeah, okay, that's perfect. It's like 100x in a matter of few days. When was it launched again? 14 November. Are you kidding me? This is insane. And this is also fair launch, you know. You can anyone could have bought it on 3 days ago at 1 million market cap, and anyone could have done 250x or even 300x. That's insane, honestly. Let's look at the website. Oh my God. Wow. This is life-changing opportunities, guys, but don't buy this now, please. Don't do yourself a favor because with this kind of market valuation on meme coin, what you see is that there is a lot of insiders looking for you to buy, and then the price dumps, and you think it's a discount, and you think it's a discount here, and you think it's a discount here, and then here, and then you basically realize that someone was selling and you were buying with a hope. Obviously, I'm not saying that it can't go longer, but try not to buy something that's already 100x down up. Try to wait until you will get early. And here we have, for example, we will take the newest. No, let's take market cap, right? If you really want to get nailed the next big thing in crypto, right? Then you can come here. This is the market cap. You choose the um, last page and you start looking at these cryptos. Okay. Expert money, emoticon. You want to give like small sums in order to get a big return on these motherfuckers, not to ape something that's already done serious returns and then get dumped on. Like there is no rewards left. It's all about me because you want to be as early as possible in the best projects possible, and the all the information technically is here. You don't need to second guess or anything like this. Yeah. So what I'm seeing, serious first reply. This thing is here again. It's this is the most consistent crypto that I've seen on this dashboard. I think this is going to get a massive valuation, and I am actually planning to even maybe buy more at this market cap. Why not? Because this looks really good, in my opinion. So Jeff, let's take a look at this Jeff thing. Jeff, this one, 4.5 million. I don't understand what this. How is this no liquidity? Um. Anyway, this is the way how you can go. Like you actually have to go and look for every single. This retire also looks good actually. So you just enter the contract, and also what's also really important is how much liquidity it has on the pool. Usually you want to see somewhere around 5 to 10%. If it's around 10%, then that's a really good sign because this is a sign of this thing being serious. But again, it's already done so much of returns that it's basically it has been waking up from being completely dead to 54,000 market cap into 14 million. Oh my goodness. Do you know how many X's is this? From 70, okay, let's say even 100. From 100 to 40 million, it's 140x. There you go. In 20 days. How about that? But here I'm already seeing that the whole thing is being just slowly distributed. Whatever was bought up here, it's slowly being distributed now, and this will end up probably being in somewhere in a very small place. So I mean, that's I see this just from the start, from the chart, but it obviously doesn't have to be this way, but I can see that it could be. But anyway, we also want to check a bit more into the not the 30, but there was like a longer time period that we were able to see the wise logic, Okay, so it's effectively what we can also do here is we can check the biggest gainers of the week. I'm not entirely sure if we can do it now from the dashboard. Previously, there was a bigger version of this dashboard what was available, but not so much anymore, because now we can also see. Interesting. Um, okay, 24-hour change P&L. Yeah, P&L. We can see the P&L of the cryptos here, and this is the change. So 300, but this is only for the last 24 hours, based on my understanding. Expert. Let's take a look at this expert money. Expert money. You always need to look. Okay, so there are two expert monies. Liquidity 2,500. No, this is better. Anyway, why is it expert money? What? Expert para. Uh, this is this is not this is not something that you want to do. Anyway, let's see which cryptos are the best performing. And this it clearly looks that it shows only the last 24 hours, not just now. So 24-hour change, the biggest returns have been Hezbollah, Brainworms, Mantra, Itadao. Like the underlying principle is that look, every single crypto that is here, they have been on the platform and they have given you the chance to enter any of these. And these returns are actually quite enormous if you think about like TradFi or traditional um, ways where people make 10% per year and they're super happy with it, you know. Now we're seeing like these insane returns on every single asset, and trust me, this thing it will get much more ridiculous. This is not even the start, right? So yeah, this is the 24-hour change. Let's look at something that we can ape possibly right now. So again, if you put the newest, we're having here 2 hours ago, we had many opportunities coming up. The social radar scans 4K posts in the last 24 hours and makes its prediction based on that, right? So what we see here, collab land, what is this? No, NPC is for 400 million market cap. No, Ocean, no, Sleepless AI is negative. Pups, World Peace, 288 million market cap. That's a lot. No, but the book. There are a lot of new memes popping up just like that without me even knowing about them. There are so many, and this is quite ridiculous to think about it. But Popnut, let's maybe check the Popnut out, for example, because this is like just still positive, no? Could be interesting to see. So again, we need a deck screener, obviously. You just paste the contract to the screener, and you will have it here. Liquidity 500,000. No, it's already 4,000. No, I can't see too many holders having developed in such a fast way, so it must be a scam. Peanut Popcat. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, there's not much of likes, comments, whatnot. Memes usually need time to develop. It's not gonna happen overnight, right? So keep this in mind. Okay. But anyway, this is something that I wanted to share with you, like the thought process and a bit of more inside the mind of a man who does this every day and has been doing this for quite a bit of time now. I'm super excited about this meme coin super cycle, and obviously I'm gonna be back here every day to showcase you the capabilities of the intelligence. um, I'm learning myself, so I'm obviously not perfect. And what I've realized is that every single one of you who is going to be using the platform moving forward, you need time to adjust to the intelligence and to really understand how it works. You need time to explore and to actually make your own research based on it. So the whole idea of Wisdomize Intelligence is that it allows you to be equal with everyone else and get the best information and make the best decision based on high quality information, and for basically no cost. It's like a gift from the universe to you as a trader. So with this in mind, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you are now more incentivized to use the platform and more incentivized to make money and retire your parents, your girlfriend, and your grandmother and father, and everyone else too. This is all possible in the next 12 months. We're gonna be making those videos more and more, and I'm gonna be showing you that I'm actually putting my money where my mouth is as well. So let's go and get it done. See you. Bye bye.